If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To set up payroll and employee defaults in Sage 50 Accounting, select Maintain, Payroll Setup Wizard from the menu bar. You must set up your payroll item defaults before you can set up your employee defaults. Sage 50 understands this, and even if you select Maintain, Default Information, Employees from the menu bar to set up your employee defaults first, it prompts you to instead launch the Payroll Setup Wizard to set up your payroll items first. In the Payroll Setup Wizard, answer the questions shown and enter the required information in each screen. After completing a screen, click the Next button to continue. If needed, you can click the Back button to return to a previous screen to change your answers. The major sections and screens within each section also appear at the left side of this window. The Payroll Setup Wizard is like the wizard used to create the Sage 50 company file. As you continue through the screens, it guides you through the process of setting the default payroll general ledger accounts, the standard payroll fields, and the optional payroll fields like 401k, vacation time, and sick time. When completed, click the Finish button in the final screen to create the default payroll items for your company file. You can then edit the employee defaults for your company file if needed. To access the payroll settings in the future, select Maintain, Payroll Settings from the menu bar. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.